Welcome to Real Internet Cash TV. It's your man Earl, Batman Stringer, and in this video, we gonna talk about Infinity Processing System. All right, so if you're watching this video, you might be on the borderline of like, I've been hearing about this system. I really want to join, but I don't know. Is it for me? I don't want to spend money. Is it worth it? Okay, we're gonna get right down to it. All right, by the end of this video, you should have a really good understanding of IPS and whether or not it's for you. All right, so let's just get to it. Okay, what is Infinity Processing System? At the end of the day, guys, it's a training platform. It's a digital online marketing training course. Okay, that's what it is. Inside of IPS, you're gonna get all of the internet marketing training that you need to start making money online. It's that easy. And the core of this system teaches you how to take a product and market it, mainly like an affiliate product, how to take that product and promote it online using the most popular platforms. Okay, so inside IPS, you're going to learn how to make commissions from promoting on YouTube, right? If you're watching this video, bam, right? It's going to show you, if you're not a YouTube person, it teaches you how to promote on Facebook. It teaches you how to market on Instagram, right? It teaches you how to promote on TikTok, okay? It teaches you how to do email marketing and how you can start generating commissions using email. All right. So, it's that's what it is. It's a system. It's like an online educational platform, and you can kind of plug into it and just start learning internet marketing. That's what it is. Now, the opportunity side of IPS is huge, because there's 3 different levels when it comes to Infinity Processing System, okay? And each level is just how much access you get to the training. It's not MLM, it's not network marketing. It's just 3 levels. It's just like picking a membership. Like with a cable package or with your streaming service, how you got, okay, for this amount, you get this much of channels. For this amount, you get this many channels. That's all it is. Some people ask, they're like, oh, is this network marketing? I don't like network marketing. Oh, it's a pyramid. It's just 3 options, right? Whatever is best for you at the time, right? So there's 3 different levels. There's a $50 level you can come in at, one-time fee, $50 level. That will give you access to a certain amount of training. You'll get, basic marketing, this, that. Then you got a $150 level, which is a really good package as well. It just increases, how much training that you get access to. And then there's the top level, which is the $300 package. And I don't want to say package, but the $300 level. And that gives you access to all of the training, right? All of the training. And it gets you access to the private Facebook group. It's another group too. It gets you access to the payment proof group as well. Okay. So really what level to come in is on you. If you only feel like, oh, I only want to invest, $50. Okay, fine. You can invest the $50 one time, get access to the training, use the training, and start earning $50 commissions. Okay. Now, whatever level you're at is the level of commissions you can earn. So I'm at the $300 level, right? Which is a very, minimal investment when you think about the earning potential. Because I'm at the $300 level, I can earn commissions at the $50, or the $150 level, or the $300 level, right? If you're only at the $50 level, you can only earn $50 commissions, right? If you're at the $150 level, you can earn $50 or $150 commission. All right. It's that simple, guys. That's what it is. I think a lot of people try to complicate it and make it more than it is and try to talk themselves out of it. At the end of the day, you are getting a product, right? At the end of the day, you join IPS, you now are a member. You have access to all of this training that you can use to start generating an income online. Once you are a member of IPS, guess what? You have a product to promote. Promote this product, promote the system. That's it. Just like a car salesman would try to sell a car, just like somebody, if you got clothes, you're trying to sell clothes. If you sell shoes, if you sell houses, if you sell jewelry, if you sell going to college, the dream of going to college, whatever, you have a product. The question you got to ask yourself, are you a marketer? Period. That's what it comes down to. Are you an internet marketer? Because if you're not, then don't mess with IPS. Don't mess with it, right? Don't. If you are a marketer, or you truly want to be an internet marketer, entrepreneur, whatever, then you definitely want to get involved with IPS. If you only got $50 right now to spare, come in at the $50 level and then grind, because you can always upgrade, right? But if you got $50, you're like, okay, I got 50, I want to throw at it, get in there, and you don't want to do nothing, you don't want to promote the product, you don't want to go through the training, then don't do IPS, because you're going to be mad if you join. Like, here's $50, I got you, I paid you, Earl, I'm good, get me into the membership, I got you. Then 2 weeks go by, you haven't went through the training, you haven't done any sort of marketing or promoting. You're going to be like, man, this was whack. This was a bust. Yeah, it was. Because this is a real online business opportunity. Notice, real, I don't know where my finger at. Real and business. Real and business. So if you're somebody who, really wants to get involved and learn how to market online, this is as they say in the business, this is a no-brainer. It truly is. Because worst case scenario, you come in at the $50 level or the $300 level. Worst case scenario is you learned how to make money online. You just bought yourself internet marketing training. That is well worth the value. Trust me when I tell you, I've been doing this for 14 years now, and what you get at the $300 level, the training you get, and we do live coaching, all of that. There's no excuse not to use this system. There's no excuse not to start earning commissions. There's no excuse at this point. It's really just up to you. Are you an internet marketer? Period. Because so many people get involved and they're like, they'll get it because it does sound enticing to earn $300 commissions, even to earn $50 commissions. It sounds so good. But they don't realize, okay, you have to do stuff to earn this money. That's why they call it online business, right? So if that's you, jump in. Trust me when I tell you, because the support that you're going to get once you join the team, of course, link below, you could join. And once you join, you have access to me. You have access to our private Facebook group where you can chat with other members who are making over 10 and 20 grand so far, right? You can interact, and I'll connect with you, right? On Zoom, we can set up a Zoom call. We can talk on the phone. I'll get you in the group, whatever it takes to get you on the right track. All that I require is that you're serious, right? That's it. If you are serious and you're determined, you're ready to grind, and you really got some financial goals that you really want to hit, then come on, join the team. Let's go. Let's get this money. Let's make it happen, right? But if you're not really that serious, you're like, I'm not sure about internet marketing, I don't even know if it's a real thing, it's all good. Don't mess with IPS. Don't do it, right? This is for true online entrepreneurs. This is for true internet marketers. This is for true people who want to learn internet marketing. Period. That's it. So if that's you, click the link below, sign up, connect with me. I'll get with you and we can start this journey together and make it happen. That's it. So if you still need a little bit more proof how powerful Infinity Processing System is, you can check out this video right here.